Ngibonge. I'm happy, because of it's been a couple of years since umuntu has been away from ama-development programs akanje, but when I eThekwini kade vele ekhona throughout these years, and this year is the 9th edition of eThekwini Games, and they started I think back in 2016-17, and then they've been doing so great, and I think this is where we mostly see your raw talent, because of it's all about youth development. We get to groom those kids, because some of us also started khona la kuma games akanje ama-Salka games besweke sabonakala, and then we were able to start off our professional lives and careers. Yes. Sports, I support everywhere, because of I started off in rugby, which was my first love and still is my first love, and then came football. You've got to athletics, nami bengenza athletics ngisakhula, so sizobe sikhona everywhere, supporting, because of wonke lama sporting codes. We have to be there, because some of us saqala khona ukuze shine, because of we were not sure where we are going to shine, but then rugby, football came along, and then we were able to be spotted, and then we shine, so that's why uma kanje nathi si feel great, and at least we are lending a hand. Yeah, it was a surprise, and I'm happy because of ama legends akhona maningi, like eThekwini, KZN, so to be chosen ukuthi nami ngizothi represent ama legend, I'm very happy and humbled ngaloko, and sizoqhubeka nje sipusha support where we can, because of nathi abantu besupporta nathi kuma careers ethu, so nathi we still have to support them back and then give back to the community, because of the community it's where it all starts for all of us. Hey, singathini singazama, because of umuntu use coach, so manje we have to help, here and there, ube leso sandla lese sithi no man, at least if I see something, let me go and put in that hand ngibone ukuthi what would come out, because of abaningi babuye banqabe or basaba ukuthi bakwenze lokho, but ke asifani, so that's why ngithi nami if kukhona oqhamukayo athi uzosisiza, I can come along and help out, because of it's needed ukuthi at least kube khona abantu esibasizayo. Mina I'm happy ukuthi umasipala uyaqhubeka wenza into ekanjena, because of umasipala iwona omkhulu, iwona esibukela kuwona, so if kukhona umuntu okwenza i-tournament akayitholi le support ayidingayo as much as umasipala uyithola, because umasipala if umkhulu kanje obviously azoba khona lawo ma stakeholders afuna kuba khona athi nathi let's lend in a hand, because of into yenziwa umasipala, yenziwa iTheku, so KZN, so obviously it's gonna have that attention, so that's why I'm saying ukuthi I pray and hope ukuthi kuqhubeke and kukhule kube cool, because of umasipala is really playing a vital and important role in terms of doing such games. So far with my coaching career, it's all about taking it step at a time, at least this weekend my boys are going to be playing their first league game, which is zonal league, so I hope ukuthi konke kuhambe kahle, because of kancane we are not rushing, but we must take step by step, because siyafika, so we are still new in the game. Now I'm still new in the game of coaching, but I'm learning a lot. Yes, ngiyakhuthaza ngiyacela ukuthi everyone around eThekwini, from eLamonti, Mlazi, Clermont, Newlands, Chesterville, asizeni emagroundini, and let's support the kids. Asiba abazali who are present in our kids' lives, because of zonke lezi ngane ezithatha le step zifisa ukuzibona somewhere nazo, but if ukuthi they don't get support from thina as a community, thina as abazali, who else will give them a support, so I urge everyone ukuthi this coming weekend 4 and 5, let's go out, sikhona eHoy Park, bakhona Ashaville, there's so many places la kuzobe kudlalwa khona, so I urge everyone to go out there, support and enjoy the day and enjoy the weekend. mina I always say ukuthi if you wanna see yourself somewhere kumele uphume and express yourself. So if you wanna be say ukuthi when you are one dimensional, it means ufuna ukuba a football person kuphela, it means you won't grow ngezinye izinto ezingaphandle because of maningi ama sports and nezingane nazo zikhona izinto ezifisa ukuthi zizenze but azikwazi because of zitshela ukuthi i-support ngezithole or le sport lesi si choose for these people whereby everyone is allowed to go and try out, you know. So thina asibagayi lo support ukuthi wherever you wanna go, be that support because lo muntu ngeke uze wazi ukuthi what might happen tomorrow for that person. Yes.